Have you ever really tried to wear a hat? Have you ever really tried to wear a hat? It's easy to wear a hat, just put it on your head. You can do that. Have you ever really tried to wear a hat? Have you ever really tried to ride a bike? Have you ever really tried to ride a bike? Ride with training wheels or ride a trike. I tell you, it's something you just might like. Have you ever really tried to ride a bike? Have you ever really tried to eat spaghetti? Have you ever really tried to eat spaghetti? Turn it on your fork when you're ready. Open up your mouth and eat spaghetti. Have you ever really tried to eat spaghetti? Have you ever really tried to do a dance? Have you ever really tried to do a dance? This one's easy. Take a chance, just hear the music and do a dance. Have you ever really tried to do a dance? Have you ever really tried to touch the sky? Have you ever really tried to touch the sky? You can't do that, but it's fun to try. Just reach way up and touch the sky. Have you ever really tried to touch the sky? Well, have you?
Hi, I'm David, and today I'm here to tell you about the word persistent. Persistent means not to give up even when things don't go the way you want them to.
Mr. David. Mr. David, please play soccer with Elmo.
Not right now, Elmo. I'm in the middle of something.
Oh, okay.
Okay, back to persistent. Here's an example. If you want to learn how to dribble a ball like this, you have to keep trying and trying. You have to be persistent.
Mr. David, are you ready for Elmo?
Not yet, Elmo.
Oh, okay.
And if you want to be able to bounce a ball on your head like this, you can't give up. You have to be persistent. So if you really, really want to do something...
Mr. David, please, can Elmo and Mr. David play right now? Please.
It pays to be persistent. Like my red, furry friend here. Come on, Elmo, let's play.
Persistent! Oh, don't worry, Mr. Beckham. Elmo will take it easy on you.
Red has an ease. Blue Dalmatian. Orange pug. Purple Pomeranian.
Oh my. Are you all right, my dear? Oh, come now, come. Here. Dry your eyes. Ah, yes. Oh, that's better. Now, tell me, what's troubling you, my dear?
I'm lost. I'm trying to find Basil of Baker Street.
Let me see here. Famous detective solves baffling disappearance. Where are your mother and father?
That's why I must find Basil.
Oh, no, there. No. No, I don't know any Basil. But I do remember where Baker Street is. Oh, come with me. We'll find this Basil chap together.
I'm going to tell you about the greatest basketball shot ever, and it all started with the question, what if? What if I throw the ball in the basket of a moving bicycle, and the wheels of the bicycle take it down the street?
And what if the bicycle hits a giant manhole and the ball falls out? And it rolls really fast down the sidewalk and passes a cat and rolls all the way over a bridge.
And what if it rolls up a big ramp at the skate park? Then it travels all the way across town and lands in the water.
And what if a fisherman uses a pulley to lift it out? And a ballerina in a pink tutu jumps on a lever, and it flies way up high in the air. Then it travels over a big, tall building.